The 2026 MPBL Preseason Invitational is back at the Astrodome in Pasay City para sa inyong Wednesday triple header. We begin proceedings with Zamboanga Sikat against the Junior MPBL D-League All-Stars. My name is Dav Tupas, working alongside a stranger. Hello, stranger. Hi.
I'm back. If you're the D-League and be better. I think yun yung pinag-uusapan nila kanina nila Coach Noy.
Doon sa spot na mismo binigay.
Oo. Ako rin nung naglalaro ako, ganun din ako. Pag mababa na yung pasa, sige na. Baba na lang tayo. Pero nakakapag-pickleball ka. Nahahabol mo yung mga...
Tingnan mo yung mga pickleball videos ko. Ay, oo.
Diba?
Lately, I've been playing in this court in Parañaque.
Saan doon?
It's called the Supreme Courts. Iraham is in the game. Ito yung mga reunion na sinasabi natin. Si Rocky Iraham.
Oo nga.
From their D-League team.
Yeah, the one that was mentioned earlier by Sir Charles.
Monte Castro misses the three. It's good to get exposure here for Rocky Iraham.
Yeah, indeed.
And he does not look out of place.
No, but he's blending in well, ano? Another three-point make there by Are. Yung pagpukol sa labas itong Are. There's that cut underneath. And yung nagustuhan mo dyan is yung timing ng kanyang cut, understanding the space that's right in front. And then Mike now hits another three. Nakalokan.
Emiliano Laksarum from Bulacan. Already with 12 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists.
That's perfect from the line.
0 turnovers.
Yes.
And 2 steals. Bernabe can't get the roll. Kalisay with the hustle play.
Kinilak sa room. Maganda naman talaga yung bitaw rin nilak sa room.
Really solid player.
Yeah. Even Monte Castro.
In and out. Tapik ni Roldan ends up with Mike Are. Are in a rush. Sends it to Irahim. 3. Got it. Yeah. Wow, love it.
Wow.
5 points for Rocky Irahim.
Blending in very well. Yeah.
It's Rocky Iraham rather.
Ganda ng bitaw, catch and shoot on a ball swing.
That is fitting your profession right now.
If they only knew.
Hey, I'm missing the GoPro here.
Oh, yes, it's here. It's here.
Okay, you're ready.
There was no kuryente pa kanina. Wala pang supply.
Okay.
So, one of the very few easy baskets inside the paint.
Iraham is asking for that basketball.
Humingi pa ng clear,
Iraham.
Oh, wow. Diretso, no?
Diretso. Parang si Ken Pangilinan yung release mo na.
Ganun ba yun? No. Alam ko si Ken, mga medium range jumper lang yun.
Tumitira ng tres yun. Yung mga hindi, wala dito ngayon, kawawa kayo sa amin.
Oo. Kaya palagi ako nanonood
Rocky Iraham is starting out his preseason campaign very well here.
Yes.
7 points na para kay Enzo Monte Castro. Coach Noy Pido there. 90-67. Under 3 minutes to play. We will be right back.
Showing off really good ball movement for Zamboanga in coming here.
Iraham, good hustle play.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Bonus. Good play there by Iraham to keep that one alive for Rodriguez.
Staying the course. A little bit of fumble, pero presence of mind to tap it over. Pang-klase effort din talaga. He wasn't gonna do anything about it. Masyado masikip yun sa gitna para kay Monte Castro.
Inigo. 2-1 for 3. Inigo with a rebound and he puts it back in. 98-75. Still bringing up the score here. Zamboanga, Tautuan lets it fly again. They're in a good rhythm.
Yes.
That's a three-pointer number 19 for Zamboanga.
And I guess this burn time na nakuha nitong mga ibang players off the bench for Zamboanga will do well for them. Guys like Achi Inigo, Tautuan did really well. Even Muhammad.
Absolutely. And that will do it. Zamboanga will take this one over the Junior MPBL D-League All-Stars 104-75. Just very difficult kanyang koponan regardless of the score.
Yeah. And he was pretty much in there. Talagang kinuha lang yung pagkakataon.